Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe and tap that bell for more videos. Hey everyone, so today I have a haul for you. It is from Trader Joe's. I don't get to go to Trader Joe's very often, so I'm always excited to go. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you what I got. I got some blueberry cereal bars made with organic wheat and oats. It's got 6 bars in here. I also got some strawberry cereal bars, also with organic wheat and oats. 6 bars. I think those are about $2 per pack. I got these Trader Joe's organic chocolate chip granola bites. There's 5 little packs in there of the bites. I actually had one this morning. It was pretty good. They're vegan, gluten-free, and dairy-free. I got these organic hemp seed bars with cashews, almonds, and blueberries. I've been wanting to get some kind of like granola bars for on the way to work, and I grabbed these. So there's that. Let's see, it's got 5 bars in the pack. I think it was probably about $2 or $3, probably 3. Let's see, so I got a bag of, these are Fuji apples, organic Fuji apples. These are organic Mandarin oranges. I got some organic bananas. So a lot of like Whole Foods and other kind of organic stores are usually pretty expensive, but Trader Joe's is a good option if you are looking for healthier organic food, and it's not too expensive. Trader Joe's Ode to the Classic Potato Chip, chips, it's 10 ounces. Let's see. Okay, Trader Joe's Macaroni and Cheese with Wisconsin Cheddar. Just a box of mac and cheese. I got some Trader Joe's salsa. It's just basic salsa. I think it was $2. I got Trader Joe's 50% less salt, dry roasted and salted almonds. This is a pound bag, 1 pound. I got some roasted and salted sunflower seeds. This is also 1 pound. I can't remember. I think the sunflower seeds are maybe $3 or $4, and I think the almonds were $6, which is about the same as Kroger has them. Trader Joe's sparkling water. This is cranberry clementine. Got some reduced fat milk, just white milk, and then I got chocolate low fat milk for a ½ gallon. So I got these Veggie and Flax seed corn tortilla chips. I've actually had these before. I got them last time I went. I thought they were pretty good. They're pretty healthy. They have carrot and tomatoes, spinach and garlic, red beet and onion. They have 500 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids per serving. So I thought they were pretty good with the salsa. Okay, so I'm gonna get more stuff and I will be back. Okay, I'm back with more stuff. I got this Trader Joe's, I'm not sure how you say it, miso curry with brown rice, sprouted beans, and a spicy curry sauce. It's a 10-ounce package. They actually were out of a lot of frozen stuff, so I was just kind of getting what I could. And some of the things I normally get, I wasn't able to get, so I got some new things. Aloo chat. These are Katie pouches. It's a crispy pastry stuffed with potatoes, chickpeas, chaat masala, and tamarind chutney. I ate one last night. It was okay, but there's like 2 in here. They have this package of brown rice. It's got 3, I think there's 3 or 4 packs, does it say? 3 microwavable brown rice pouches in there. I got some Mexican style roasted corn with cotija cheese. I've had this before. It's so good. Got some breaded mozzarella cheese sticks. Got this organic 3 cheese pizza. These are pretty good. The kids eat those. This is a, let's see, gluten-free cheese pizza with cauliflower crust. I don't think we've had this one before, but there's that. Got some cheese slices, American cheese, some shredded mild cheddar cheese. I got the Icelandic style low-fat yogurt. It's vanilla. It's 1.5% milk fat. I've had it before. It's good, but it's like very thick, so it's a little bit different than what I'm used to, but I do like it. I got a couple of those. I got some hand soap, Trader Joe's foaming hand soap, Botanical Bounty. Got these uncooked grass-fed Angus beef burgers. It's 80% lean, all natural, minimally processed, no artificial ingredients. There's 4 patties in here. This is mini ice cream cones or chocolate. Let's see, there's 8 in here, the perfect size for kids. There's that. I got some grated Parmesan cheese. It's 8 ounces. I got these. I've never had these before. I just kind of grabbed them because they really didn't have a lot of peppers and things like that. They don't have as much produce as Kroger because it's a small store. But these are Shishito Peppers. I never had these before, so we might try these. I got these Way More chocolate chips cookies. They're really good. They're little and cute. I think it's like 3 of them is 120 calories. Let me check. No, 3 of them is 150 calories. So, yummy little cookies. Got French roast ground coffee. It's dark roast, which I didn't mean to get a dark roast. Strong and rich. And there's that. Got some organic ground beef. This is 1 pound. It's 85% lean, 15% fat, and it was about the same price, I believe, as a pound at Kroger. I can't remember the price. Oh, $5.99. Well, maybe a little bit more. There's that. I got some organic silver dollar pancakes. Running out of room. Okay, I got some uncured dry rub sliced bacon. This is 12 ounces. So let's see, never fed animal byproducts, all vegetarian feed. Pork used, never given antibiotics or added hormones. All natural pork raised without antibiotics, no artificial ingredients, minimally processed. And they're also crate free. I didn't see that. I like that. That's something that bothers me. Okay. Sorry, my dog's barking. Hold on a second. Well, my dog was barking, but he didn't want to come in, so hopefully he doesn't bark too much more. So there's that. I got a bag of organic arugula. This is triple washed. Let's see how much is in here. 7 ounces. And I got organic baby lettuce. Also, wait, this is 5 ounces. Okay. I think that is everything I got. I think the total was almost under, what was it? I think it was about $140. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out all my links below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Take care.